Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to ride your pals in Palworld. Now, chest. Now, to ride your pals, you would need to unlock a certain thing, which is a saddle. So, for example, if you're level 6 and you have a rush shore, right? You can just click on this and it's going to be unlocked, and you will need the saddles ingredients are going to be there, and you need to craft it in a pal accessory bench, which is in your base. After that, you don't need to, it's not going to be in, there are a lot of people here, you're not going to be able to use it individually, because guess what, it's automatically for every pal of that certain thing. So for example, let's take my Fanglobe for instance. If I use another Fanglobe instead of this one, it's going to be automatic. So just take out your pal via E and then hold F, and you're gonna pretty much ride your pal. And I'm gonna run to safety. So that's how you ride a saddle with your pal. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. I can see you on the next one.